John Datcher from Cleaning World here. I'm going to talk a little bit today about floor care. So at Cleaning World, we do pretty much any floor that's out there, whether it's vinyl tile, ceramic, LVT, which is the planks, concrete. There's no floor that we can take care of. When it comes to vinyl tile, which is probably what you see mostly out there in commercial settings, you'll see it a little bit in residential, but mostly commercial. We'll strip it down to the base tile, and then we'll add, 4 to 5 coats of wax. And primarily we only use 2 waxes. One is our NCL wax, which goes on with a great shine. It's incredibly durable. So the NCL is for most commercial settings. The other one is Diversity Signature, and that's more for places that are gonna be buffed on a, 2, 3, 4 times a week. We have some places that gets buffed 7 days a week, and that goes down with a pretty good shine. But after the second buffing, the shine is crazy good and it's incredibly durable. It just goes down with a great shine. It looks awesome. We use a regular side-to-side machine. We have grit brushes for a lot of wax. Then we have softer pads for floors that don't have a lot of wax. And then we'll follow it up with a couple auto scrubbers, whether it's a smaller auto scrubber or we have our bigger auto scrubbers back here. And then for the regular maintenance, we have our propane buffer over there. So we'll mop it with what's called the rejuvenator. We'll use this, put it in the mop water, mop it with cold water, and that leaves a layer, and then we buff it, and it comes out great. When it comes to ceramic, grout, or anything like that, we'll put some Viper Venom down and then scrub it with a grit brush. Or we'll use our carpet truck where we have the spinner. We'll go over and choose really hot water, and it's all self-contained, so it's not splashing all over the place. And then it will vacuum it up and pull it right out to the truck. If you just need your wood floor scrubbed and then buffed, or scrubbed and then a layer, we use Bona Mega. It's really good. For commercial settings, we use Bona HD. If you don't want to go through the whole sanding process, which is going to take a couple days, we'll scrub it with this machine right here, which has 2 counter-rotating brushes, and we'll put some solution down, scrub it, strip off, like if you've been putting old wax, a lot of wax on there, and we'll strip that off, either buff it or put some Bona down, but that does a really, really nice job. Any kind of floor, our guys are just so good at it, whether it's 3 rooms in a doctor's office or it's 50,000 square feet, there's nothing that we can't do.